Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy NEET English. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma. So students, finally the syllabus for the NEET 2026 is released. You guys can download that syllabus from NMC's website, right? So here you can see it is nmc.org.in. So when you visit that website, you have to check the all news section, and there here at the first place you will see the syllabus for the NEET, updated syllabus for the NEET UG 2026, right? So today it was released. So here you guys can see the official document. I'll definitely share in our official Telegram group, that is Unacademy NEET English as well. So here you people can clearly see, you guys can clearly read here. So here they have mentioned this. So it is the updated syllabus for the NEET UG 2026. Here clearly mentioned that sir or madam kind reference is invited to the UG Medical Education Board public notice for this and that thing. And here they have basically mentioned that for the NEET UG examination, right, this is the updated syllabus and we have to follow this syllabus for, right, this syllabus for the preparation. You can see for the preparation of the study material and for the preparation of NEET UG examination for academic session 2026-2027. So it is written here. So now when we talk about the syllabus, you guys can see it here very clearly, right? This is the public notice for all the stakeholder that the paper and the study material should be like this. So when you look at the syllabus, when you people check out the syllabus, let me very clearly mention this thing to you that there is no change in the syllabus. It is just like your NEET 2025 examination. So whatever you people was prepare, whatever you guys were studying, just keep doing that because there is no change. It is totally same, right? And let me tell you, you'll be amazed to know, right, that even in the biology part, if you check the official syllabus, here you guys can see in the biology part, just look at it. You remember this mistake? It is from 2024. It is still there. Like when you look at the unit number 2, structural organization in animals and plants, here you can clearly see initially they have mentioned morphology and modifications. So modification part is obviously given, right, in your and this part you have to study from your old NCERT, right? In the new NCERT, you are not going to find that in detail. Then for the root and the stem modification, now when you look at this, see the tissue, anatomy and function of different parts in flowering plant, roots, stem, leaf, inflorescence, everything is given, right? And here when it comes to the families, again, these families are mentioned here because some of the students, they were asking me, ma'am, is there any chance that when the syllabus, that at the time of, at the release of the syllabus, maybe they delete the families because these families are not given in the NCERT. So it is totally out of NCERT. But let me tell you, families are still included here. So you have Malvaceae, Cruciferae, Leguminosae, Compositae and Graminae family in your syllabus. But in your NCERT, they have mentioned Solanaceae. Solanaceae is not the part of your syllabus, right? It is not the part of your NEET syllabus, right? These are the families that you have to study. And I was talking about the mistake. So here you people can see the mistake as well. So here they have mentioned in the animal tissue, you have to study animal tissue, morphology, anatomy and function of different systems, digestive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous and reproductive system of an insect. And in the bracket of insect, they have mentioned the frog. Again, the same mistake. Okay, so obviously this is my suggestion and this is what we cover on our channel Unacademy NEET English, right? You should read frog as well as cockroach. I'm not saying that you have to read it in detail, right? So here also they have mentioned brief account only. So you can even solve the PYQs on the basis of these topics. So as I said, there are no major changes here, right? Everything is mentioned, like everything is just like the last year. So keep preparing, keep studying, right? Avoid any sort of distraction because now even the syllabus is released and you know that your exam will be there in the month of May and that too on the first Sunday, right? So keep studying accordingly. Do not wait for anything that some other changes will occur or anything like that. No need to go for the distraction. Just focus on your studies, revise the syllabus properly. Firstly, complete the syllabus, then go for the revision and the MCQ practice. And you know that for all of that, we are here. The complete Unacademy NEET English team is there with you all, right? We are continuously taking the marathon sessions as well, right? You know that we are about to finish class 12 syllabus in biology when it comes to the marathon sessions. Okay, so one more thing is there for you. So there are 2 biggest Christmas gifts for you all. So the session will be live in 2 days, right, at 8 p.m. So you can click on the notify me, you'll get the update of this session and here you'll see the surprise. Okay, right? And obviously these surprises are just to boost your confidence, just to boost your NEET preparation only. So keep studying. All the best. There is no change in the syllabus. No need to go through each and everything in detail. We are here for this particular task. So see you all soon, right? And next marathon session for the biology is going to be for the chapter evolution. So stay tuned, guys. All the best. If there is any other doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Take care. All the best. Thank you.